With the 800 Vario TMS, Fendt presents a compact, heavy-duty tractor. The tractor concept combines the performance of high-output tractors with the maneuverability and visibility of medium-output tractors. The 800 Vario TMS concept is designed to allow you to carry out all your work in perfection, without compromises. More power and intelligence for maximum performance. The 800 range, high-tech Varios from 168 to 195 horsepower. The new Vario TMS drive technology is our new highlight in terms of ease of operation and profitability.